Okay, everybody. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a new project in Adobe Premiere. There's two different ways. Okay, so first we're going to launch Premiere down in the dock here. Wait for it to open. Now we're looking in the top left of the screen, so I'm going to zoom in there for you. We're going to click on New Project. And so there's two things we're concerned with here, not just one. The name of the project. So let's say this is my documentary. So I'm going to call it Kimmick's Documentary. But I'm not just going to leave it there because this location is just as important, right? So we want to make sure we put our files in a place where we'll remember where they are, because it's important to do that so you can find them. So I'm going to click on this guy and I'm going to go choose location. These other things are sort of your past locations, but they don't necessarily mean that you want to save it there. So I'm going to go choose location. And now if you look, I have this little Finder window. I've asked most of you to make a folder on your desktop. We can also make a folder from this area of Premiere. If I click on New Folder, I can say Jeff's or Kimmick's Documentary, and I can make a folder there too. And now I will be saving the project file in the folder that I just made. So now we've got the name of our project, and we've got where it goes. And then the last step is we're going to click create down here, okay? And then we've got our typical standard view that we're looking for, okay? In some cases, you'll have a lot of projects open. One thing that can help you is if you go to the File menu and you go File, Close All Projects. That'll close everything, right? And so in some cases, you'll see a blank screen like this. You won't think Premiere is open, but if you look up top here, you'll see that it actually is open. It's just kind of hiding. So the other way to make a new project is to go to File, New Project, and then we have the same setup, right? Kimmick's Documentary. And then we already have the same folder and everything. So I'm going to not create it since we already created it, but that's the two different ways to create a project in Premiere.